Hey guys, so Big Joe made it to Italy, Italia bella mia. So today we'll be walking in the streets of Gorizia, which is an Italian town just close to Slovenian border. So let's go. We are close to the city center of Gorizia. Coop shop there. And yeah, let's head down the street. Pescheria, so that means fishes, sleeping with fishes. So back in the day, when Slovenia was still a socialist country, people used to come here to do shopping. So they would buy all the Western goods like jeans, Italian food, clothes, modern clothes, stuff like that. But ever since Slovenia became independent, also the shops here, most of them had to close down. So now it's not as bustling and hustling city as it once was. But you can still get Italian products like wines, cheeses, salami, prosciutto. Or some good Italian gelato, which means ice cream. Oh yeah, typical Italian architecture. Down there was a park. I remember as a kid, just behind that park there used to be some nice gelateria where they sold ice cream, and yeah, I would always get the Nutella ice cream there. Yeah. So let's head down towards the park. I think we have a marketplace here. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's a marketplace. Lots of different fruits. Fragole, there are strawberries. Melanzani. The green thing is Big Joe doesn't eat. And a pumpkin. But yeah, not so busy as it once was. By the way, they have like a siesta from 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock p.m. each day. So now it's 1:30, so not all of the shops are open now. Yeah. Okay. And that was the small marketplace in the city center of Gorizia, Italy. So now I want to go check to see if they still have that gelateria there to get myself an ice cream. But I hope they're not close also from 1 to 3. So there we go. the Parque di... I forgot. So, Monsignor Pietro Coccolin. Maybe it's Hibs Park. Or maybe this is just the street. It's close to the park. Okay, we have l'orologio, the clock. Or is it a weight? It's something. It's doing something. I think it measures the air pressure. I don't know. Maybe they're renovating or something. But yeah, little park. South sides of 20th century, Gorizia and Gorica. So we've been to this one, the Castagnavica sanctuary, the crypt in the 15th century in my previous video. So there's buried the Bourbon's king, including the King of France, Charles X. But yeah, now we are. Oh, nice building, look. Bella Italia. Ciao Italy. So let's walk down this main road here in the city center of Gorizia. Italy. Città di Gorizia. So I didn't forget about the ice cream, guys. I'll check it if it still exists. It was so many years ago. Oh yeah, no, it was there. Oh, what does it say now? Keith Giardini. Anyway, it's closed. So until 3 o'clock, no ice cream for Big Joe. No, the park. Ninjas. But yeah. So the only things that are opened from 1 to 3 are the bars. So the shopkeepers, shop sellers, they can come and have their coffee, their lunch, brunch, and stuff like that. Yeah? But yeah, a little bit of a ghost town, even though today is Wednesday, a normal working day. But yeah, it's really warm for February. I could even wear shorts, maybe t-shirt. Perfumes, profumeria. Hey guys, let's go see if there's any more interesting street than this one in the center. Yeah, let's check it out. So this was the main street, and you have smaller streets like this. And the signs there says it's 20 degrees in the middle of winter. My God. I did a few further down the street. So another bigger street with cafes, kebabs, women lingerie. So, Corso Italia is the name of this street. Oh, there is pizza on the other side. Like 3 soldi. So, that's free money, something like that. It means that's cheap. 3 soldi means very cheap. Okay. And we're back to the main street. Corso Verdi, it says. So the prices of coffee here are from 1 to 2 euros. If you want to have a beer, around 5 euros for 0.4 liters. So a little less than half a liter. In Italy, the big beer is 0.4. So a little bit more expensive than in Slovenia, but okay. So with this we'll end our short walk in the city of Gorizia, Italy, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao from Italy. Take care, guys.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.